Hi everyone, welcome to our Wealth Hero video. So today we're going to talk about travel stocks. Travel industry has been suffering during the past 2 years, due to this COVID-19. And the thing is, a lot of people are speculating that, the borders are going to open soon. So what are the travel stocks that we want to be watching if the travel industry will be bullish? It will be the upcoming bullish sector. So let's see. So right now, I think in Singapore, most people are looking at two travel stocks. So number one is this SIA, Singapore Airlines. When you look at this chart, you can see that in December 2019, this SIA has been actually going on a downtrend. So from here, and then it went through the March crisis, and then it went through all the saga when the market, the COVID-19, is actually having this shutdown, border shutdown. So SIA has been suffering for a long time until when? Until 2020 November. So until 2020 November, you can see that the SIA shares, starts to recover from the bottom. But the thing is right now, what you see here, is just a sideways trend. So you can see this super trend system, this is the support level. So right now, $4.90 is actually like the support level. And we actually in this sideways trend. So this is a sideways trend, we call it a consolidation, sideways consolidation. So by looking at SIA, actually we cannot really tell whether this sector is bullish or not. So what we need to do, we need to look at another one. So if you look at this SATS, SATS will be much clearer. SATS, is already starting to getting near this resistance. So over here, if you ask me, how can we tell whether the travel industry is recovering? You probably want to look into these two stocks going up in tandem, breaking the resistance, so that you can see that these sectors is actually clear of all the problems they have been suffering over the past 2 years, and they are ready to move forward. So over here, SATS, SIA right now is on the sideways. So by looking at this, it's actually not enough clue. So what are the other stocks that I'm actually looking at in this travel industry? So let me share with you one of my favorite. One of my favorite, is this Airbnb. So if you look at these stocks, same thing. They have the same problem all these travel stocks have, and it start to recover. And most important thing, you can see that recently Airbnb is actually moving on a short-term or mid-term uptrend. And over here, you can also see that the smart money are coming in, and overall, it's actually quite a bullish pattern. So Airbnb will be another stocks that I will put in my watch list first. So if the travels are really open in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, this is one of the stocks that I will be watching. I'll be watching. So today, this video is actually still pretty early. As you can see, SIA is not really flying everybody right now. Nobody is going to the airport. So by looking at this Singapore-based travel stocks, travel-related stocks, it's actually not the best situation right now. But if you look at Airbnb is a global base. So if there's a recovery, Airbnb, you will see the recovery here first. Do you agree on that? So over here, there's the Singapore base, there's this global base, which is Airbnb. So another stock, is actually this stock called Expedia. Expedia, is also one of the stocks that maybe we can pay a bit of attention. Over the last 2 years, if you compare Expedia and other stocks, Expedia actually didn't really drop that much, and Expedia actually recover very quickly and break the previous high. So if you look at this, this is the March crash, So a lot of other travel stocks, they'll probably get stuck still lower than the March level, still lower than the previous 2020 crash, still lower than the previous high. okay, on the 2020. But Expedia, you know, after getting green signal over here, okay, it went on uptrend, take a break over here, and then continue, okay, another correction over here, okay, and then continue, and right now we're getting a signal over here. So Expedia is also one of the stocks that is also in the list. So of course, there are many other stocks as well. Okay, so if any stocks, right, you find that is, you know, part of this travel industry, please help me by putting it down in the comment. Okay, and also please remember, if you like this video, please help us to like and subscribe to our channel. So thank you very much. I see you in our next video.